Hello guys, you are welcome to my channel. This is your brother UD and I am the CEO Pips to Dollar FX. Like what we used to do, we do live chart analysis here. That's what we do, live chart analysis with no indicator. We show you where possible the market is going to move to. And if you're not yet a subscriber, please do so. Make sure you subscribe, hit the subscription button, and also on the notification bell so that in anywhere I post, any day I post any video, you always be updated. Okay, we've done that. Let's move on. Okay, now the charts in front of me right now is the chart of pounds sterling versus the US dollar. And I want to show us the general look, my own thoughts, and of course this is the pair I love trading. So I want to show you what I'm thinking about it, what I expect it to do in the long run. So let's get to the analysis. So if I should pull out my um, trend line now, I want to know where the trend is right now. So I just pull out my trend line and I will draw it to pass through there so that I can have um, my first touch here. Sounds good. I can have my second touch here. That's good. And I also have my third touch right here, third touch right there. Okay, but the third touch did not move that very well because of this double bottom that you see here, which is a reversal pattern, and this is the monthly time frame. So such reversal pattern is very powerful. So looking at this, we have seen that the trend was to the downside before this market respected this previous low, move back, then respected this a little, move down before it breaks. So now GBPUSD had, some months ago broken through our downward trend line, which means that possibly the price is gonna rally up now. Price is gonna rally up right now. So what we expect is to buy in a long term. So but we are not just going to hit the buy button right now, because we still need to go lower to the lower time frame in order to see what currently we can do, while we keep in mind that the overall trend is to the upside, because you don't just need to buy, you need to go down to see what the trend carries and all those things, what the market is currently doing, before you join the market and do what the market is doing, while you are thinking of the big picture, which is the monthly, the higher time frame. It is uptrend. So let's move down to the weekly time frame. This is the weekly time frame, and you can see here that this was the place that we had that bounce back. It bounces back here before it now broke to the upside. So now the momentum is to the upside. From here, after breaking, you can see that after breaking here, it retested and then boom, moves all this. So now what can you say about what is happening currently? What can you say about this point now? Because this is where the market is trading. Okay, what I personally can say about this thing is that the market, after giving this first impulse move, is on a retracement move now, ready to break higher. That is what I am expecting. It is preparing to break higher. So I will move to the daily time frame to see some good setup after the breakout. So after the breakout, I can see this. After the breakout, I can see this. If I pull out my trend line, after the breakout, I can see this. Okay, we saw this first touch, second touch. So if we extend it up here, we'll have something like this. Okay, but I want to generally concentrate on this part. I want to concentrate on where the market is right now. So this is where I want to concentrate, because I know this is just a retracement move. So if I put my trend line there, place it very well, yeah, I think I can see something here, that in this retracement move we also had impulse and retracement. First impulse move, first retracement, the second impulse move, the second impulse move, is the second impulse move, and this is the second retracement. So, and right now we are having a third touch on this trend line. We are having a third touch on this trend line. We're having a third touch on this trend line currently. Look at this place. This was the first touch, second touch, the third touch right now. Okay, let me make it nice. This, so if you can observe with me, this pattern, once this pattern is formed, the market will always break to the upside. But right now we are having a third touch on the trend line. So what am I expecting? I'm expecting, because after this impulse move, after this second impulse move, this is supposed to be a retracement move where the market can bounce back lower to maybe give a third touch here before it can move to the upside. It can move to the upside from there. Let me see this. Okay, all right. Okay, now sometimes ago, if you were here, I think you would have taken this trade. Somebody would have taken this trade. Yes, somebody would have taken that trade after it broke through there. So I can see something here. Okay, nice, whereby I have the first touch, the second touch, and the third touch broke it, came back to retest it. Look at it there, went down, came back. Now it's retesting this downward trend line. So what am I expecting? I'm expecting this price to go down a little, expecting it to go down a little. So let's go to the lower time frame, like 4 hour. My network. So yes, right now we're having a third touch on our trend line. Look at that. Gave us, look at this, guys, this is 4 hours. It gave us this engulfing pattern, bearish engulfing. It gave us that bearish engulfing. So after giving that bearish engulfing, I can see another trend line here. So I'm expecting price to rally down from where it is to this trend line, which has given us the first touch, the second touch, to give us the third touch so that we can break it to the upside. That's possibly what I'm expecting. Or if it does not break to the upside at that point, it can just come down, respect this, comes back here, respect this again, then move back here to this other trend line, to this downward zone. This is the place to catch up with this one, then to make a final move to the upside. So, but in whichever way, we'll monitor it. But right now, I am selling. I am selling it. It looks small, but that pips, that could be up to 50 or 70 pips. So I'm selling it right down there to that point. So from that point, from this point, from here, this point, we'll know where to go depending on what the market will show us. So we'll know where to go. All right. Note that why I entered was that I saw this bearish engulfing. There was a reversal pattern here, bearish engulfing there, bearish engulfing, see it there, look at it here. So I entered because of that. So I'm expecting price to still continue lower. Okay, so let's keep an eye on it. So that will be all for GBPUSD, and I'm gonna watch it till the end, guys. I'm gonna look at it. You can also look at it too. So that is it. Please subscribe and share the like, and also on the notification bell. I will see you in another video. Thank you.